Okay, so I love using my Swiffer PowerMop to mop, and I was sent these refill pads to try out to let you know how they are. So I'm going to ruffle up all the cleaning strips on the bottom. There's a ton of them, which will help lock all the dirt in. Okay, these just kind of stick to the bottom of your Swiffer mop. They'll just stick right on there. It covers the pad pretty good all around. And if you'll look, you'll see when you ruffle them up, there's hundreds of these little cleaning strips that'll lock it in, and they just stick kind of like a Velcro to the cleaning pad there. But you just put it on, spray your spray, and then just go to town mopping and getting all the dirt up. I love that these little cleaning strips will get down into your grout lines, not leaving anything behind. It's a nice good scrub for the floors. It's easy to use. One of these pads usually does my whole kitchen. I like it that I can get underneath the counters with these. They're very easy, convenient, inexpensive, and you can see it'll just get up all that moisture off the floor. Now I do have hardwoods as well, and I use these on my hardwoods as well. And you can see when I show you here how much shine it leaves on the floor. These are great. I do recommend these as refills for your PowerMop.